After a long time of being frustrated about using these narrow test tubes for aquarium water testing, I decided to do something about it. My first thought was to quickly drill a few holes in a wooden block. It's the easiest and quickest solution. But wood won't do very well with being wet and it doesn't look good at all, so I decided to go with plastic instead. I also saw that most test tube holder designs support the test tubes higher up as well. So this was my first design. I deliberately went with a white colored plastic because I also have the problem of always having to find a white background to read the color of the test results properly. Because the 3D printer works by printing a layer over an existing layer, for this design I have to generate some supports that will need to be removed later, which can be a hassle but also a waste of material. So I designed my test tube holder to something without overhangs, which means that I can print without supports. I neatened this prototype up by removing some of the sharp 90-degree corners so it looks nicer, and I sent it to my printer. The height of the holder was also deliberately set to where the 5mm mark is for the test tubes, so I can easily gauge how much water to add in and continue to use the test tubes even if their markings have worn off. Finally, each test tube sticks out slightly beyond the holder, which allows me to easily place my fingers on them and hold them in place while tipping the contents of the test tube out.